Are you yawning?
Ever notice you yawn the moment someone else does? That's contagious yawning. Here's how it works. Your brain's mirror neurons copy other people's actions. When you see a yawn, your brain simulates it, and that triggers the urge. It's not just boredom. Contagious yawning links to empathy. The closer you feel to someone, the more likely you'll catch their yawn. Even dogs and chimps join the club. So if you just yawned, congrats! Your brain's being social.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you